Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech. In this video I teach how to change the mobile number in the Instagram account. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe the channel. Okay, step 1. Open Instagram and click your profile. After click your profile, click the menu and click account center. Click account center. Okay, account setting, click password and security personal details. Click personal details. Okay, this is your number. If you want to change your number, click here. Click add new contact and add mobile number and your add email address. Okay, add mobile number. Okay, enter mobile number. For example, oh my god. After you type number, click the next. After click one code, send your number. For example, 8690051 is your Instagram code. You type the code and successfully. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.